Hi, I'm Dr. Barry Weintraub, and I'm here to show you my brand. You're in my private office, and when patients come in, they're greeted by this lovely waiting room where they have the utmost of privacy. If you walk down this long corridor, you'll find that we pass a number of rooms, but at the very end, we land in my private office. And in here, I get to speak to my patients in confidence, review their photographs, and listen to their issues. With respect to treatment room settings, this is one of our treatment rooms where patients enjoy Botox, fillers, as well as bandage changes and other reviews of their surgery. If we come further down the way, we wind up in the office of my practice manager who schedules all of my surgical cases. And right next to her is our aesthetic nurse who performs everything non-invasive, from lasers to peels to Botox to fillers. You name it, it's here. But my favorite part is where I do my craft and what I'm passionate about. And that's the surgical facility. On the day of a patient's surgery, they press this button and they come into probably one of the most magnificent outpatient surgical facilities anywhere. Everything here is state of the art. My patients are greeted by nurses and they're set into one of two recovery room beds. Safety is number one, safety is number two, and safety is number three. After they're met by one of my board certified anesthesiologists, we come into our state-of-the-art operating room. Everything was designed to come out of the ceiling, so there are no obstacles or wires on the floor. All of my surgery takes place here, and then the patients go back to recovery. So what you're looking at is a surgical facility that is immaculately clean, incredibly safe, and unbelievably private.